review the reception policy. If the government agrees,
Even tayo,
once the government is ready to discuss on that subject, to review, then yung secret hangka, di ba ito? First thing, yung ada trend ba, at least the ratio should have been proportional on population structure. The government must be aware. The government must be aware that our agitation is based on the failure of the government to accept, or demand to review the resolution policy. So how the government is going to review that? It depends upon the government. It depends upon the government. But at least what we have mentioned openly is that this policy should have been proportionate on population structure. That is number one. That is number one. For further details, then the committee or the government may decide. No, this committee is not on resolution policy. It's on roster. The government is trying to mislead.
Just take care of yourself. I've understood your mind now. I will talk to everyone. I've understood it, but I want to keep saying.
Yeah. What I will continue. I will continue.
Why even ihapon gan wigin lang no?
No.
Dadaklan din ng basa
Even without numbers, the government should have a concern on the seriousness of the issue. On the seriousness of the issue. Bila dah mentahkan सरकार the shooting number of it. But the issue keep along.
No. Apakah demokrasi kaya kita?
No. This is
At
not
demokrasi kaya kita. Iwan na sa private members. Ihapon.
That is not democracy. That is not democracy. That is the rules. That is the rules and procedure of conduct of business in the house. So they are applying with rules, not with democracy. This is democracy.
That's the way the world is.
But it should have been done in. It should have been done
you have the
in a real
numbers. You will
democratic
also
way.
not allow any other political
We will discuss real issues.
Okay, we'll discuss.
If we are in the government, we will discuss real issues.
I just come here.
Thank you so much.
Concerned.
I'm very grateful for your
I'm
concern.
very concerned.
Okay.
I want
I'm
to
very
keep
grateful
fit.
to you,
I want to
but we cannot decide individually. This is, you are coming here.
So you are saying I'll give it in writing. Now I don't know what you want in writing. So I will go back and I will find out what is this writing you want. I hope that even after that writing you should not be.
Our message is very clear. The government should review.
See, we are reviewing the resolution.
No, you are not reviewing. You are discussing roster.
We are reviewing.
I don't know why you are confused. Why you are confused? As minister, your mind has to be. There must be a clarity on your mind.
Reservation means what? Reservation means number one, pedigree office memorandum. That's what you do.
No.
Number two,
reservation is how you reserve. No, you don't understand what is reservation.
So that is why you make us understand.
Reservation is a policy where you reserve job for this class of people living in the state. That is reservation.
That is what the policy says.
So the ratio in the present reservation is 40% for the Garos and 40% for the Khasis and 20 for others, right? So we find that this policy is not okay in the sense that it is not proportionate in terms of population structure. We are more, the Khasis are more than Garos by 15%, by 19%. So
Khasi means what? So many of them.
Yeah, they are all included. Khynriam or pnar. Don't try to divide.
I'm not
Don't try to divide.
I'm not dividing.
Don't try to explain about the division. Don't try to bring that issue. When we talk about khasi, we all know that khasi means khynriam or pnar or bhoi or maram or ngam. That is the definition of khasi. So if you bring jait, if you bring bhoi, then there will be another problem. No. Why should you worry? It's the politician who promote this division. We are promoting unity. We are promoting unity. We call for the unity of the people. We are going everywhere. Let us unite. Let us have a sense of understanding that we are one as a community. When we say Khasis, we mean we include pnar, we include war, we include bhoi. So let us not bring that.
Let us talk about this. Let us discuss this in a proper manner.
I think
I have come here to tell you, I'm worried. I don't want this.
So if
not
you are,
good for the state. Not
don't
good
worry
for,
for me.
Not good for the state.
Don't
for
worry
state,
for me. Okay. Worry
not
for the
for all of us.
youth of the state.
I'm very concerned.
Youth of this region.
Very concerned.
Worry for the future of our youth.
I'm very
worry for the future of the
for
state.
you and for everyone.
Not for me.
For you
Not
and
for me. I'm ready to sacrifice my life.
Okay.
I'm ready
Please,
to sacrifice
please
my
let
life.
us meet.
Yeah.
Let us meet across the table. I've come here to tell you, please, if possible, withdraw your strike and come, let's work. For the good of the state.
No.
So come, Lele. So,
I
as you
don't-
wish, as you wish.
see,
I have come.
Yeah, okay, thank
I
you.
have come.
Yeah, thank you. But as I told, we are ready to withdraw if the government decides to review the policy. And we are ready to go to the negotiating table with the government, to sit with the government if the agenda is on the reservation policy.
It is the reservation policy.
No, as of now, this committee that we are heading is on roster, please.
But
It's on roster.
I have come.
Yeah,
I have
okay.
done my duty.
Okay,
Please
thank
take
you.
care of yourself.
Yeah, okay, thank you.
Thank you.